Very good morning, dear students. This is your trainer Payal here and welcome to our channel Be the Perfect. In today's class, dear students, I am going to teach you all stop saying very too often in speech or while drafting a letter. Well, I came up with this idea because whenever I have conversation with my students who are at beginner level, or when I talk to people who are around me, who are near me, they use the word very to a great extent. I mean, umpteen times they are using the word very. So students, in today's class I am going to teach you how to minimize usage of very with replacing great advanced terms. Okay, so students, can I have each and everyone's attention? And as I just told you all, whenever you have any doubts, any queries, Be the Perfect is always there to solve your doubts, your queries. You have any question, do not hesitate to get in touch with us. Okay, so students, let's start. Number one, very accurate. You want to use very accurate, or basically you're in the habit of using very accurate. Please give me very accurate number, give me a very accurate ballpark figure, give me very accurate estimate. So instead of using very accurate, you all can use exact. Give me the exact ballpark number, give me the exact estimate. So you all can replace very accurate and use exact. Don't you think it's sounding astounding? Very advanced. So here you can improve your vocabulary by using more and more advanced term. Next word, very afraid. I am very afraid to travel by Ola during night. So instead of saying very afraid, you all can use the word fearful. I repeat myself, instead of using very afraid, you can use fearful. Next word, very angry. I was very angry when somebody took my file without taking permission from me, or when someone entered the cabin without knocking at the door. So instead of using very angry, you all can use furious. I repeat myself, instead of using very angry, I was very angry that I did not get my salary. I was very angry that I did not clear the interview. So instead of very angry, students, use furious. Don't you think it's very advanced term? So very angry, use furious. Next word, very bad. Well, I visited, you can say, the roadside dhaba, and the quality of the food was very bad. The results of the students were very bad. So instead of saying very bad, use awful. I repeat myself, instead of very bad, students, use awful. Next word, very beautiful. Oh, let's go to Nainital. It's very beautiful place. Let's go to Shimla. It's very beautiful. So instead of using very beautiful, students, use gorgeous. Very beautiful, you are complimenting someone, you're looking very beautiful, ma'am. So instead of very beautiful, you all can say, Payal ma'am, you're looking very gorgeous, right? Next word, very big. Burj Khalifa is very big building. My house is very big, our office is very big, and it can accommodate more than 2,000 employees. So instead of very big, you all can use massive. I repeat myself, instead of very big, students, use massive. Let's go to the next word, very boring. Okay, the lectures were very boring, and that's the reason I felt asleep. I went to watch XYZ movie and it was very boring. So instead of very boring, students, you all can use advanced word, which is dull. Very boring, replace and use dull. In the same very manner, you all can add these ideas. Okay, next word, very bright. My room is very bright. This place is very bright. If we can ask the students to go to this museum, it's a very bright place. So students, instead of very bright, you all can use luminous. I repeat myself, instead of very bright, use luminous. Okay. Next word, very busy. Please do not call me as I'm very busy today. Oh, so sorry, I was not able to reply to your email yesterday because I was very busy. So instead of very busy, use the word swamped. Same thing, very busy replaced with the advanced word swamped. Next word, students, very calm. I want to take a break for 1 week and go to Maldives because it's very calm place. So instead of calm, use serene. I want to go to Uttarakhand and have a relaxation journey because it's very calm. Instead of very calm, use serene. Next word, very careful. My advice to all the young generation is, do not drive very fast while you are going on the highways or in the mountain areas when it's raining. You need to be very careful while you are crossing this bridge because this bridge is very steep. So instead of very careful, you all can use cautious. See, there are a lot of time we see on roads the board is written cautious. So the same thing. Very cheap. Well, I don't want to eat the food outside the road or the street because it's very cheap. This place is very cheap. I avoid traveling here during the night. So instead of very cheap, you all can use stingy. I repeat, instead of very cheap, use stingy. Next, very cold. Oh, Delhi is very cold during the month of January, December. Kashmir is extremely cold during the winter season or during December or January. So instead of very cold, use freezing. Okay, instead of very cold, use freezing. Next word, students, very clear. I need very clear reports. I need very clear idea. I need very clear objective when it comes to closing the chapter. So instead of very clear, you all can use advanced term, which is obvious. I repeat myself, instead of very clear, use obvious. Next word, very confused. Well, when the intern entered my office, she was looking very confused. When I went to clear my or face my IELTS interview, I was very confused. So instead of very confused, you all can use advanced word, which is perplexed. I repeat myself, just use perplexed whenever you all want to use very confused in your sentences. So students, this is all for today. So remember how we are minimizing very, how we are replacing very by using these advanced terms. So this was the first session. Don't worry, we are going to come up with few more exciting ideas. So students, stay connected with your trainer Payal here, and like, share, subscribe. Be the perfect. Thank you.